How to record iPhone screen. Let's get started. First, launch your control center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Once you launch your control center, now click anywhere on the screen. Now you are able to edit your control center. Click on the option Add a control. Now here you're gonna find list of shortcuts. From this list, select screen recording. Once it appears, click on it and adjust it anywhere on the control center. Once you have added screen recording control, now what you have to do is you can easily record screen on your iPhone. All you have to do is click on the screen recording icon. With that, countdown will start. Also, you'll get the option to enable or disable microphone. Once you do that, you can click on this option, and with that, you have started screen recording on your iPhone. Likewise, to end recording, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon again, or else what you can do is click on this icon given at the very top and stop recording. So this way you can easily record iPhone screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.